If you are wiring your own controls, please review all electrical interface connectors to verify compatibility with Dynatect-supplied components. The 19-pin passive block does distribute 24-volt power to sensors connected to the passive block, but any of the photo eye options will require separate 24-volt supply to the 19-pin cable number 8 for proper function. Please reference the electrical and logic schematics to become familiar with the power, logic, and connections of standard and optional components. For an example, a potential issue arises when 24-volt power is only applied to the passive block at pin 19, brown wire. Make sure you follow the schematic to the second page for connecting 24-volt power through pins 8 and 9. Please visit Dynatect.com for a copy of the VF Door product guide.